Is the economy on the brink of a recession? Gareth, a seasoned economist, believes it might be, and he's got a handful of economic indicators to back up his assertion. Gareth suggests we brace ourselves for a potential economic downturn, likely to hit in the second half of this year. The telltale signs: a rise in underemployment, a decline in retail sales, and a surge in layoffs. When these economic indicators show weakness, it's a clear signal that the economy might be heading into choppy waters. Inflation, that pesky old foe, is another factor causing concern. It's stubbornly refusing to drop below 3%, and producer prices keep climbing. This situation makes it less likely that the Federal Reserve will make aggressive rate cuts, a measure often used to stimulate the economy. A widening wealth gap also paints a picture of two diverging economies. One where the rich are getting richer, their investments in stocks reaching all-time highs, and another where those less fortunate are seeing their savings rates turn negative. This imbalance could lead to economic instability. Gareth is also eyeing the stock market, where he spots signs of a potential bubble. Money is flowing disproportionately into tech and cryptocurrency, a fact that could lead to a 20 to 30% correction in stock value. This correction is likely to impact Bitcoin as well. Speaking of Bitcoin, Gareth has a mixed outlook. If stocks correct, he predicts Bitcoin could drop to between $30,000 and $32,000. But long-term, he remains bullish due to the limited supply of Bitcoin. However, the upcoming Bitcoin halving might cause some selling pressure. When it comes to commodities, Gareth is feeling pretty bullish about gold and gold miners, as well as wheat at its current low levels. And he's keeping a close eye on oil as it approaches resistance levels. And finally, the US dollar. Gareth predicts it might have reached its peak and could potentially decline if the economic data continues to worsen. He's keeping a close watch on the 103 mark as a support level. In summary, Gareth's economic outlook isn't exactly rosy. He's predicting a possible recession, stubborn inflation, a widening wealth gap, and potential corrections in stocks and Bitcoin. But he's also bullish on certain commodities and keeping a keen eye on the movements of the US dollar. It's a complex picture, but one that Gareth believes we should all be aware of as we navigate the economic landscape.